In this video, I'm going to tell you about what all worked for me, how being consistent on YouTube is difficult, scheduling your content affects your views. I'm going to tell you about the number of subscribers that it brought to me, engagement it brought to me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you my deep analysis of me being consistent for 30 days on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what all worked for me, how being consistent on YouTube is difficult or no. I'm going to tell you about the number of subscribers that it brought to me, the number of engagement it brought to me. I'm also going to tell you about how scheduling your content affects your views. The number of watch hours that I have increased, I'm going to tell you in detail. So please make sure you watch this video till the end. This is the book in which I have written everything. This has my last 28 data from YouTube. Basically, this was my New Year resolution to post every day, post a long form content every day on YouTube. And I've been consistent since December 31st, but let's count from January 1st. So I've been posting every day, be it vlog, be it, some tutorials, or be it something knowledgeable or something like movie recommendations or a day out, and how I shoot, what I shoot, what haul videos and everything. So I have tried almost all type of content that I'm comfortable with in creating as a fashion, lifestyle, skincare and beauty content creator, and this is my analysis. So first, I've written everything here. So first is my posting date. This is the data from 1st January till 28th January, because YouTube gives 28 day का पूरा जो भी इंसाइट होता है, तो हम 1st January to 28 January तक का पूरा डेटा एनालिसिस करते हैं. ठीक है. My watch time was increased by 16.1%. Basically, I have been always consistent regarding posting shorts every single day at 12 p.m. This was my consistent routine since October 2024. मैं रोज शॉर्ट्स डालती हूँ. मेरे अब भी शॉर्ट्स मिड फरवरी तक के शेड्यूल्ड है. सो देयर इज नो हार्म इन शेड्यूलिंग योर कंटेंट और लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट. तो आई हैव बिन कंसिस्टेंट रिगार्डिंग दैट. स्टिल मुझे रीच अच्छी मिल जाती है शॉर्ट्स पे, वो मेरे इतने सब्सक्राइबर्स स्पीडीली नहीं बढ़े जितने लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट डालना शुरू किया और बढ़े हैं. I've been posting since October 2024 regularly shorts, right? So मेरे before December 31st मेरे subscribers 277 ही थे, 277 ही थे. तो you can understand कि वो कितना slow बढ़े हैं, कितना थोड़ा. And I think I started with 28-30, तो वो कितना slow बढ़ा है. But as soon as I started posting long form content and regularly, I have seen a growth in that, so which is why my watch time has been increased. Now 66.1 is my watch time only for 28 days, not for 365 days. I'm just giving you data analysis on 28 days because it's been 29 days for me to post regularly long form content on YouTube. Now I'm going to show you guys what worked, what videos worked for me in the past 28 days. I'm going to tell you my top long form videos, not the shorts, because shorts तो मेरी अच्छी reach आ ही जाती है. We are only discussing here about long form videos. So this is the one that worked. I think it worked because of Dyson, because every girl loves to watch a Dyson tutorial and everything like that regarding everything that's related to Dyson. So which is why bought a Dyson, and second video, how to use a Dyson, worked for me. I have studied the Dyson works for any or every genre, because Dyson does have a big name and it does brings a little bit attention of audience. Third video for me was Ray-Ban Meta, when I bought a Ray-Ban Meta glasses, because obviously again it's a big brand, everyone wants to see what Meta glasses are like, and everyone wants to see a raw video, a raw review of Ray-Ban Meta before putting that much money in the glasses. So I think which is why this one also worked for me. After that, the video that worked for me on 4th number is the Pia unboxing video. video in which I was unboxing a PR video, plus I was yapping a little bit. So I think the PR unboxing worked for me, because everyone wants to see what all PR boxes a content creator gets. In this video I only got one brand's, Swiss Beauty brand's PR box, and I just unboxed that, and plus there was a lot of yapping. And the fifth video that worked for me was when I showed how to make world's best ramen and peach tea. I think it's because a lot of people are into ramen these days. Maybe that's why it worked for me. But if I would have made something like world's best matcha, that might also have worked on really well on YouTube, because there are a lot of increasing matcha lovers these days. So these are my top 5 long form videos that worked for me this month. I'm going to talk about the subscriber gain through shorts and through long form videos at the end of this video, so please make sure to watch this video until the end. I'm going to discuss about viewers across format, how much percentage of viewers watch what type of content. So there are, according to my audience, there are 64% of audience who watches shorts only. There are 15% of audience who watches both long form content and shorts, and there are only 21% of audience who watches long form videos of mine. So this is the analysis of viewers across format. Now I'm going to share how my viewers find me. 85.6% of viewers finds me via shorts feed, which is why I have also realized, and I have also heard about it a lot, that you make long form videos to make sure that your new viewers become your regular viewers, but to bring new viewers to your new subscribers to your page, shorts is very important. And I agree on that. I post shorts so that I can bring new viewers on my page, and I post long form videos to make sure that those new viewers become my regular viewers. So that is how it works on YouTube, not just for me, for everyone. So posting shorts is also very important so that you can attract new viewers onto your page. 5.3% people have found my channel via browse features, and 3.1% people have found me via YouTube search. Maybe they have viewed something like how to use a Dyson, or maybe they have used just my username, or maybe they have used Ray-Ban Meta review. So that is how I am, my videos are visible on their page, and so that is how they have came across my videos. Now I don't know if this is necessary or no, but I'm still going to share it, because we are doing deep data analysis. So I will also like to share the ages of my viewer. So my age range for viewers are 27.8% people are from the age range 18 to 24. 37.9% of people are from the age range 25 to 34, and 22.2% of people are from the age range of 35 to 44. So that is the whole age of viewers. Gender, it's as same as Instagram for me. Even my Instagram audience and Snapchat audience have the same female male ratio, where the female audience is more than the male audience. So my male audience is only 38.2, but female audience is 61.8%. So that is that. Thank you, girlies. Now we talk about the geography. So 66.6% people are watching me from India, but 2.3% of people are watching me from United States. Then there are a lot of more countries as well, but I'm just talking about the top 2. Now I would like to share the audience ka subscribe and not subscribe rate. So there are 23.2% people who have subscribed me. Thank you so much. But there are 76.8% of people who have not subscribed me, but they are still coming and watching my video. Guys, if you really like my video, please subscribe me, because it brings me more motivation. It makes me happy. It just gives me more motivation and enthusiasm to create more content for you guys. And if you guys really just come again and again on my page to watch my videos, it just take maybe 2 or 5 seconds to subscribe someone. And if you genuinely like my content, I don't think there's any harm if you guys subscribe me. It will just make me more happy and more motivated. Now I'm going to talk about the published content. Last 28 days mein I have posted 27 long form content and 27 shorts, because I'm posting daily long form content also and shorts also. In this, what I have came across is, when on the days जब मैं occasionally long form content post करती थी, तब मेरे लिए मैं शॉर्ट्स रेगुलर पोस्ट ही करती थी पहले से, बट मैं ओकेजनली लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट पोस्ट करती थी. तो जिस दिन मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट पोस्ट करती थी उस दिन मेरा शॉर्ट्स नहीं चलता था. 2 व्यूज़ 3 व्यूज़ मैक्स 50 व्यूज़, वेर एज मेरे रेगुलर 1K के तो ऊपर जाते ही है. तो आई ऑलवेज यूज टू बी लाइक कि ऐसे कैसे. तो फिर जिस दिन मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट डालती थी उस दिन मुझे शॉर्ट स्किप करना पड़ता रहता था, वैसे सब होता था. बट नाउ दैट आई हैव मेड श्योर कि अब मैं रोज लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट डाल रही हूँ, सो मैं रोज शॉर्ट्स नहीं डाल पाऊंगी. सो दैट इज नॉट हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू वर्क, बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो नीड न्यू ऑडियंसेस टू कम ऑन माई पेज. सो आई डिड सम बेसिक मैथ्स अकॉर्डिंग जस्ट टू माई ब्रेन. देयर वॉज नो रिसर्च included in this. There was no research done in this, but this worked for me, and I think this will work for anyone and everyone who posts long form videos plus shorts every day. So what I do is I post my long form videos at 9 a.m. every day. This is my fixed time. So I made sure that I post my shorts 12 hours past when I post my long form content. So when I'm posting my long form content at 9 a.m. every day, I'm posting my shorts at 9 p.m. every day, which makes a 12 hours gap between both of the content. And I think that worked for me because उसके बाद मेरे shorts की reach जैसे normally आती है वैसे ही आने लगी है, कम नहीं हुई, और मेरी long form content को भी कुछ issue नहीं आया. So that is how it has worked for me. So if you guys are also facing this problem, make sure you have 12-hour gap in between those two content pieces. Now lastly, we are going to talk about subscribers gained. So I have gained total of 25 plus subscribers. Now when I say 25 plus subscribers, उसमें बहुत subscribers, जैसे मेरे आज 3 subscribers बढ़े, कल मेरे 2 कम भी हो गए, परसों 4 बढ़ भी गए, फिर 1 कम भी हो गया. सो वो सब मिक्स करके टोटल मेरे 25 प्लस सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़े हैं. बट जो कम हो गए उनको हटा के जितने हैं अभी मेरे पास इन जो मुझे देख रहे हैं उनको गिन के मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स वाया शॉर्ट्स बढ़े हैं 12 एंड वाया लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस गेस करो कितने बड़े होंगे, 13. So as you guys see, I know these are very small numbers and the whole data analysis is very small percentage of change, but I can actually see change while posting long form content. जो अगर मैं नहीं पोस्ट करती तो मेरे सिर्फ 12 शॉर्ट्स की वजह से सब्सक्राइबर्स बढ़ते, बट क्योंकि मैं लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट भी डेली डाल रही हूँ, मेरी इंगेजमेंट रेट भी अच्छी है, मुझे कमेंट्स भी आने शुरू हो गए हैं, और वीडियोस पे लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट की वजह से मेरे 13 सब्सक्राइबर्स और बढ़े. सो दैट्स अ प्लस, राइट. एक तो शॉर्ट्स से एक नंबर ज़्यादा मेरे सब्सक्राइबर बढ़े हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग दैट माई लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोज़ आर वर्किंग. सेकेंड, मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट की वजह से भी बढ़ रहे हैं. सो दैट इज़ अ गुड थिंग. सो आई थिंक पोस्टिंग रेगुलरली फॉर 30 days हैज़ वर्कड फॉर मी, इवन इन स्मॉल नंबर्स, बट इट हैज़ वर्कड फॉर मी. आज स्मॉल नंबर है तो कल ज़्यादा भी पड़ेंगे, बट इट्स अ गुड एनालिसिस अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. छोटी छोटी ही चीज़ें सही, बट इट इज़ वर्किंग. इट्स मेरी कोई भी मेहनत वेस्ट नहीं गई, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. Plus, talking in front of the camera has become more easy for me, more comfortable for me. So all that will help me in future, and it is also helping me day by day. मेरे vlogs better हो रहे हैं, मेरे videos better हो रहे हैं, मेरे ideas better हो रहे हैं. The way I'm speaking is getting better. The way I'm interacting is getting better. So I think overall the experience is good, and it's only for my and my page's betterment. So I think it's worth it, and I think I'm going to continue posting daily. Next month Feb के ending में I'm going to share the data analysis again to see कि अब मेरे 2 महीने में कितने growth हुए हैं, so that you guys can keep tracking, and you guys can also be motivated कि फर्स्ट मंथ में मेरा इतना हुआ तो सेकेंड मंथ में मेरा कितना ग्रो हुआ है. इफ यू आर न्यू यूट्यूबर, इट विल हेल्प यू ऑल्सो. दैट इज इट फॉर today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video or learned something from this video, and if there are anything you want to ask, if there are any doubts you want to ask, and if I have the answers to them, please make sure to comment down and ask me all those questions. I'll be happy to reply you guys. I reply to everyone whoever comments on my shorts or long form videos, so I will be very happy if you guys engage on my videos. Don't forget, I post every day at 9 a.m. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. See you tomorrow. Bye.